Hi, welcome to Home Farm. Today I'm going to show you how we fix the water pressure to water our vegetable garden. Given the location of where we live, we don't have the greatest water pressure. When we last did a reading, it was coming out of the taps at about 1.5 bar, which is fine if you want to just run a shower or use the hose pipe near the house. But our vegetable garden is located about 100 meters away from the nearest tap, so we ran a hose pipe along the hedgerow, which we then connected to a tap in the front garden. Given the distance that the water had to travel, every time we'd go down to water in the vegetable garden, the water would just trickle out of the hose pipe, and what should have taken 15 to 20 minutes to water the entire veg garden would take us about an hour. So we looked at different solutions and we finally decided to install a garden water pump. The garden pump that we went with was the Trotec TGP 1000 ES. It's a 1000 watt unit that can pump 3,300 liters of water per hour. The issue that you may face with garden pumps is that they've been designed to address as many issues as possible. So it's going to come down to how you actually want to connect your different various pipes and hoses to the actual pump unit itself. In our case, because we use hose pipes with conventional clip-ons, we wanted to come up with a solution that would allow us to seamlessly connect two hose pipes to the garden pump. So we went to our local plumbing merchant and we purchased two brass 1 by 3/4 inch hexagonal reducing brushes and two brass 3/4 inch hexagonal nipples. We then simply removed the protective cap from the pressure connection and screwed in the nipples and reducing brushes. We also purchased two Hose-Lock Pro metal threaded tap connectors, and these simply screwed onto the hexagonal nipples. This now allowed us to seamlessly connect the hose pipe running from the vegetable garden to the top of the pump and the hose pipe running from the front door tap to the other end of the pump. We then opened the tap, started the pump, went down to the vegetable garden, started watering, and the water pressure was amazing. It was now coming out at the same strength and pressure as the hose pipe connected to the front door tap. We're very pleased with the way that the pump has been performing, and it's cut our watering sessions down significantly. But there is one thing to consider. If you've got a control in your sprayer that allows you to turn the water from actually coming out, it's probably not advisable to use that because the pump is trying to pump water down the pipe the whole time. So by blocking the water coming out of the actual sprayer itself, could potentially damage the pump in the long run. So the first time that we used the pump to water the vegetable garden, I actually just left the sprayer lying on one of the vegetable beds. I had to run up quickly up the hill, turn the pump off, turn the water off. Obviously that's not optimal and it's not relaxing. So I've turned to a tech solution to address this. I put an Eve Aqua on the tap that allowed me to turn the water off. I put an Eve smart plug on the extension cord that the pump connects to, and that allows me to turn the pump off using my smartphone. And this now means that I don't have to run up and down the hill like a madman trying to turn the water and the pump off. So we're really pleased with the way that it's all turned out. Our watering sessions down in the vegetable garden are a lot quicker now. If you've got issues with your water pressure, a garden pump might be the solution for you. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. We hope that you have found this video useful and interesting. If you did, as always, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.